Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I'm going to put this up high so I don't hit the camera in a minute. As you all know, I'm working on the Julie Nutting Dollhouse, and I was getting out my gelatos. And one thing that drives me nuts is how I store my gelatos. It drives me crazy, and I'll kind of show you. I took pictures because I can't edit. I don't know how to do that or pause my videos in the middle of a video to show you something. So I took a picture. This is how I had my gelatos stored. My Tim Holtzer's in there, my Jane Davenport's in there, my Vicky Buten's in there, like that. And then I have to scramble in there to figure out what I want and what color. It drives me crazy. And so, a couple months, God, it's got, I bet you, a year, if not longer. Sam asked if I wanted this container. This is the top of it. And, oops. Come on. This is what it looks like on the inside. Sorry. So, it's been sitting here up on my shelf, empty. And I was getting the gelatos out today, and it's like, oh God, I gotta come up with something. And I happen to look up, I'm like, wait a second. So guys, la-da-da-da! They were throwing this out at his work. Because I'm like, don't you need it? And he's like, no, I thought of you. They were throwing it out at his work. I don't even know what it actually had in it. But the one thing I like about this is these all come out. So what I sat here and did is I separated by colors. Like this one right here, I call this my miscellaneous pocket one. Because on top, I didn't take the Vicky Buten's out because they're kind of like a crayon shape. They come in like this. So I left them in the box. But it has all the little brushes that you get with the gelatos. And I got this smooch in there. I got this like that. Just little, oh, that's not supposed to be in there. Just sponges in here, like this Jane Davenport liquid thing. I just kind of, that's what's in there. And those fit on top. Then I have all these individual colors. Like I think I got purple, pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, copper, silver, copper tones, brown tones, black and white here. Over here in this pocket, I'll just take it out, I have my Jane Davenport and my Distress crayons. So I can just, when I go to use these, I can pick what colors I want, or I can just pick the blues if I want to just use the blues. Like, boom, I got all my blues. Boom! So, I thought I'd share this storage idea, because a lot of times I've seen these similar in thrift stores, and I never think of looking at them, like in a tool section. So, in this one, like I said, I love the fact that the dishes come out, and I wanted to share that. So if you ever seen this one out and about at a thrift store, or even on the side of a curb, you never know. I mean, think outside the box. And I know it's a big storage container. It's kind of big. But I have my buttons similar in one, like this. And I'll show you that. And I almost thought of switching out my buttons and putting my buttons in this one, but I decided to keep my buttons in this one. And look at, they stack. I got 3 of these. The other one is, I don't know where I stuck it, but I have another black one like this, and I stack them. And I just stack them on a spot on my craft room floor. And that's what I'll do with the gelatos. And eventually, when we get moved someday, Scott's going to measure me a shelf, and he's going to make me a shelf where I can put these all up. And I'll just label it. But I just wanted to share this storage idea because, you know, I don't use my gelatos every day. So it's not like I need them accessible. Oh, there the other one is. I just found the other one. I got letters. I should get that down. And so this was a good idea for my gelatos. Because I don't, like I said, I don't use them every day. And then when I can use them, I can say I only need like a couple paints. I can actually go, I want that one, that one, that one. And boom. Or, like I said, one solid color. So I thought I'd share that idea. So if you have a nice son-in-law or a husband, go raid his tool room. But yeah, so I don't know why they were getting rid of it. That's his work. It's made by Stanley. Sam said I could buy this all by itself, or you can buy it with the stuff in, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not a mechanic. So I just thought I'd share that with you. And I'll talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.